This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cliff Wells. Beautiful 3-story 4/5 bedroom home, open floor plan, with wood flooring downstairs, granite tops in kitchen, 3 full spacious baths, gorgeous master suite west/jetted tub and separate shower, double vanity sink, large spare room on second floor loft that can be a separate family room or office. Surround sound in family room, surround sound in the loft. Home has solar panels, utility bill under $20. 2-car garage with Tesla charger wired for charging station, screened porch outside pergola with TV hookup. Inground sprinkler system. 8-camera surveillance system on outside of the house. Vivint security system. For more information, review the details below or contact Cliff Wells at 757-480-2121.